So, Lit Platinum in car. This is Pritesh's Mercedes. We give you a little introductory video last time. Micro Precision 5 Series and 7 Series tweeters, 5 Series mid-bass, Dayton slimline sub at the front, 2 Acoustic Elegance 15s, Helix processor and M Series digital amps, and yeah, it's built for multimedia. As you can see, the tablet, we described that last time we took it out of its little charging cradle, and I hope these that's turned that's turned quite low. That's on minus 30 before when we were playing it, and kind of minus 53 now. It goes loud because it's a multimedia car, so so we're getting the welly out of it, as we say in the UK. We're getting quite a lot of output. We've upped the crossover points of all the speakers to protect them. Everything plays up a little higher and a lot louder, and yeah, let's see how it does. I'll be honest with you, it's Saturday afternoon and we've just done an hour tuning on it, and we're pretty much, I haven't got any more time, so it will go to the Euros tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock early. This is the last kind of ditch attempt to tune it. I would have liked a few days out of it, but time just wasn't with us this time around. So with the time spent on it, I'm happy with it. I'm happy where it is, and it will do whatever it will do. Like I say, I would like to spend a few more days tuning it and trying a few different things, but it's certainly dynamic. It's certainly got the kick, it's got the punch, it's got all the top end detail, all the little bits and bobs that you want out of a multimedia or a cinematic experience. Like I say, I don't know how this is going to translate to the recordings, whether it's going to distort like hell. Again, minus 30. So we'll see how we do. So yeah, again, micro precision speakers. We're using micro precision speakers for sound quality. That's what they're renowned for. But we're doing multimedia as well, because we get a lot of customers that want micro precision speakers, but they also want them to go loud, and they're not an SPL brand. They are a sound quality brand, but they can go pretty loud, and let's see how they do in multimedia and with the crash bang wallops and everything that needs. And we're certainly happy with where we are with the time spent on it. And like I say, if you're in Salzburg at the Euro finals, give Pritesh a tap on the back. We won't be demoing it for multimedia until it's been judged in multimedia, but he will demo it for SQ, and then on the Saturday or late Friday he'll demo multimedia as well, I'm sure. So Lit Platinum in car, give us a like and a subscribe, and thanks for watching.